Hello guys and welcome to Jainsons guys. Today we are going to talk about and understand how to use this folding bag. This is a 20-liter folding bag and how to open this and how to again pack this up. So this is a very compact bag and it's useful for 1 day, 2 day hikes and also for summit pushes like Kedarkantha trek. So here we go. So we'll see how to open this. There's a zip given over here. Just open this and turn it the other way. Just close this zip. And your foldable bag is ready and all set to go. This is the same size as you can see. It's the same bag. Just this one is stuffed properly. Again, if you want to fold this, just open this front zip and turn it the other way. And just keep on folding, keep on folding, keep on folding until you reach this point. See, so this is very easy and very useful. It's a very high utility gear which you should have. A trekker and an adventurer and a traveler should definitely have in his list. Here we go.